Hello, Obophile!
Hello!
Whoa. Did you guys hear that? It must be because we're talking about Ferling Etude number 15, which is a very haunted etude in my mind. So let's talk about things that might help make it easier to play. So I think the first thing that's important to realize in this etude, the mood and study of this kind of music lends itself to an opportunity to find a certain smoothness in your playing. Now, it's quite long with not a lot of places to really recover and breathe. So it's really a challenge to stay relaxed and keep playing through the breath acrobatics that you have to do. Now, another thing that can help smooth things out is control over the vibrato. Now, if you need help with the mechanics of vibrato, I have a whole video about that, and I'll link to that in the description below. But to demonstrate this, I want to draw attention to the very first phrase and the hairpin that we have to accomplish within a piano dynamic. Now, this isn't really that easy without vibrato, which I'll demonstrate right now. Now, some vibrato crept in. It's really hard to really divorce your tone from vibrato completely, but you can really tell that it's just very plain. And maybe musically that might have actually been appropriate. I didn't really think about that when I was preparing it. But with vibrato, you can definitely show the direction of the phrase a lot easier. So you can vary the speed and intensity of the vibrato and stay within the dynamic, in this case soft, and still show like a nice momentum through the phrase. Although I didn't really try that before, and I really like the transparent and really somber quality that a little bit of vibrato brings. Maybe not gone completely, but it definitely makes it more transparent. So another issue that we have is just getting the oboe to sound loud. Sometimes the oboe can seem very limited in its dynamic range, so we must do this through illusion. There is a section on the third line where we go from pianissimo to forte, and we want to show that as a big contrast. Unfortunately, the oboe it can't play that loud, so we have to pretend. And we pretend by changing vibrato intensity, like we did before, but also by changing the metric kind of distribution. That's the word. So I'm going to start in the, so I'm going to start in the third line. So by broadening the metric feel, we can create the illusion that it's much louder than it actually is. Now, there are a lot more things that I'd love to delve into about this etude and oboe playing in general, but unfortunately I've discovered that the YouTube format is just not the right way to do that. So I'm giving virtual lessons now, and some people have already signed up, and that's awesome. Offering that we can do a one-off, or we can do a weekly lesson for various students who are interested in studying with me. Also, if you are trying to execute these musical things, it's really hard to do if you don't have a working reed. So you can always check out obophiles.com for working reeds. I have periodic discount codes. There's one right now for back to school, which is in the description below. So get your discounted reeds. And you can even sign up or enter for a chance to win some free reeds by commenting on the video below and filling out the Google Docs, which is on obophiles.com, to enter into the contest for some free reeds, which will draw the winners when we reach 2,000 subscribers, and I can't believe that's coming up soon. I really appreciate all the support from everyone as I've created these videos to work on these etudes. I started these videos for my own growth as a teacher, a musician, and I'm really excited whenever I find out that it helped other people as well. So thank you so much for that. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel a lot. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. But above all else, When in doubt, play beautifully.